To fix an Xfinity router that won't connect, start by checking for outages in your area. Visit the Xfinity website, sign into your account, and navigate to the support page. From there, scroll down to the Common Solutions section and click on the View Status Center link. A notification will pop up if there are any outages in your area. Additionally, ensure that your account payments are up to date by checking the Billing tab. If there are no outages and your payments are current, the issue likely lies with the router itself. Check that all equipment cables are properly plugged in, including the coaxial cable, which should be securely tightened at both the wall outlet and the modem or router. Also, verify that other cables, such as power cords, are correctly connected. If the router remains unresponsive, try resetting it by power cycling. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Xfinity router.